Yo G, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Hi everyone. Let's just wait a couple of minutes before everyone starts joining and we will start. Crypto market is like printing some green candles on lower time frame. And yep, let's just wait a minute before everyone joins in. Today we still have the issue of YouTube views. The views are not like counted correctly just because of Amazon Web Service in Bahrain just destroyed by Iranian missile. That's why. Good afternoon. How's your day? Let me look something. Analytics and yeah. So right now this move is because of future traders, not by spot. So I'm like, okay, we can reverse. It's not that hard. So let's get started. Yep, let's get started. Firstly, I want to show something so you know that like we are in a long trade. We are in a short, and we're gonna like blow up our SL and all the stuff. Let me show you something. Let me just open my marker. Yep, this is it. So you can see spots are like neutral, not like selling lot, not long in. If you see the spot activity, it decreasing. If you see the future activity decreasing on the short side is also decreasing. Same with Bitmax, same with Binance. It's like decreasing. And if you have a look at like perps long in, future long in, this is the future long in. You can see like they are drawing massive longs just because of this big gap. They are expecting like we have broken the trend line. Let's say this is a trend line, they have broken out and now they are long in, just expecting price to go toward the upper side. Upper side is like $68,000 or like $68,250. But right now perps are lost going up, but spot is like sitting at like neutral, or you can say like zero. Well, they are not like going up and down. You look at the data spot, it's like at bare minimum zero. And if you look at perps, they are going on the upper side, means they are longing. And what I'm expecting on the chart says, let me just open the chart of the short one. This is the short chart. Let me just clear the arrows where yep. So if you have a look at this, like these weeks, like this week and this week, I am expecting we fill this week and then we like maybe we go down from here. Like let me open add a retainer from here, something like this. We fill this week, we have filled second entry. Let me check. No, second entry is still far, like we are 50 to $70 far from second entry. And yep, we will fill second entry and then we will go toward the lower side. In my opinion, that's the setup. But still, in every setup, I have some advices. Like in this setup, if you have a look at this setup, let me just make the font bigger. If you have a look at this, you can see short in BTC as CMP, like current market price. Skip if you don't want to risk. This means this is a risky setup, and in this level you can see we have a risky note. But on Solana trade, what's the Solana trade? Yep, Solana trade was also risky just because we were late on short end. But still, Solana gave nice profits. We printed 90% on 25% leverage, and these are the like this is the signal. And yep, that's what I'm expecting. Come on, give us second entry. Come on, I'm waiting for it to tap the second entry level. What was the high? Let me see. High was 67,519. Oh, so our second entry is 520 and it tapped $519. I will regret if we miss the second entry. I will regret. But still, let's wait for it. And Hello, Cryptex. What do you think about long trade from equity from Polaris? I'm not sure of long trade. This is a long trade, okay, from Polaris. Long from 93. We will look at it. I will give my opinion at the end of the stream. It must be a good trade from if we have given a long trade, he must have analyzed it. But still, I will like give my opinion on this one. The sound is day to day perfect. I have like changed my mic, and yep, that's what I can do. Hi, Crypto. Hi, Victor. So that's our BTC stuff. Solana is printed okay, and yep, on Solana I have marked a red box. This is a red box marked before the stream that I am expecting a rejection from here, and yep, if we reject from here, I am expecting it goes toward this the TP like 24 Fab low. Like 24 Fab low is somewhere around here. Let me just open this. Yep, this one. You can see the low. I am expecting it to fill this low. Like we retest these. That's what I'm expecting. I retest. This is from 12th March. Okay, and this is currently, and we are doing okay. Like not getting rejected right now just because we have some time in closing. And if you have a countdown, we have 56 minutes, and this is just starting 4 minutes. So I'm not saying we are getting rejected, but still we are seeing some sort of reaction. Same on this one. On 15 minutes, we have 10 minutes left. Okay, and this is how like the code. Oh yep, we have this setup from yesterday. If you remember my scheme, I said like you can short at around this, like around this area. We got a massive short opportunity, and we got like around, what's the TP, like 3% of the profits if you have shorted. I didn't short it just because I was in this long. I longed this one, so I was longing that one. After the stream, if you short it, then this printed like 3.5 hour. That's a 6.5 hour setup, and that's a good one if you've shorted like. And after that, we have the road setup. This setup is based on this breakout, but you can have a look at this one. We are getting rejected at the top. That's why I said wait for the breakout, and we haven't breakout, so that's why we are waiting. We are still waiting on this one, and this is the limits we placed. And yep, we are still waiting on this one. We have limits active at 4,444, like 4 times 4, and second entry is at $4,400. And we have XPX pumping. We printed RSI divergence here. If you have a look at this, we have RSI divergence here, and yep, we are pumping, and we have place limit at this. Our second trade is activity limits. We have place limit around $65.20. And after that, we have an idea of ICP. ICP is slow, so yep, we will take some time. And after that, we have CHZ. CHZ, we are holding this coin in spot. I shared it around. Let me check it when I shared it. CHZ. Let me just check this stuff. Just give me a minute. Yep. So I shared this was the message. Let me just copy it. This was the message. Swing spot position. It was shared on this time, like 17th March. We'll be adding that every dip. Like if we have the dip, we will be adding invalidation below 0.28 daily. This is 0.28 below the red box. Adding for FIFA stuff, we have FIFA coming. I'm not a like football fan, but still we have FIFA coming. Targeting 50% to 100%, and the more depend on the market is in 0.5% only. So my average entry is right now is this candle low, the previous weekly low. It is at around $0.34, and I am up around 26% right at like at current market price. And if we go up 50% is around somewhere around 0.50. So yeah, it's a good one. We are in profits. I will keep holding it, and I will trim my first entry at sorry, not entry, trim my first partial profit at around 0.50. Higher Cryptex just took an e-shot from SPF where we will do TP target. Thanks for your effort and assistance. Okay, nice setup. So this setup is playing again. We have a wick here. I would say place the SL above this wick. Like this wick is sitting at around. Let me just add this one. So this week is sitting at 2093, so you can place your SL at $2,100, and TP would be like same as this one if you want to go with this one, or if you want to go with like swing setup, then you can go with $1,930. This would be a setup. And this is a like you can call it is strict SL or like hard SL. If you want to go with like a more flexible SL, then you can use these wicks as your SL around 2111 or 2120. But I would choose like this SL just because the market is not like good one. Okay, so we missed second entry by, let me check on Bluffin. I placed my limits on Bluffin, and Bluffin high was $67,500. Okay, so missed by $20 on Bluffin, and on Bybit we missed by 30 cents. Okay, fair enough. And that was the idea with DOT, ICP, CSZ, and USD dominance. So yep, we have dollar dominance here. By dollar I mean USD dominant, the Tetra one, and yeah, we were forming the inverse head and shoulder, like the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder again. We retested it at around $7.90, 7.90%, and now we are just sitting at the resistance. This is the resistance here. If you like, if you know the bull flap pattern, this is also a sort of bull flap pattern. Let me open it for you. Bull flap. The simplest one. Yep. So this is the simplest one, and I will open it for you guys here. So this is how bull flag works. Like we have a flag, the pole, the big move, like this is the big move, and then we have a flag channel. This is the channel. We are moving in a channel, and then we have breakout here. Somewhere around here we will have a breakout, somewhere around here, and then we start moving toward the upper side. This is the bearish, the bullish scenario, and the bearish scenario is that we invalidate the bull flag light. We start moving toward the lower side, and we invalidate it, and then the bull flag is cancelled, and we just move randomly. We just move toward the opposite side. That's the two like the patterns. But I am expecting like we range in this range, and after that we go for this week, like this week around these values. We go for around these values like 8.50%. That's what I am expecting. On DXY, we like fill this value around 99.70 or $100, and then we start moving toward the upper side, something like this. Okay, so slowly that is rejected. Let's if you want to trade, let me create a trade for you guys if we can. Yeah, I will create it here, the Sol USDT, this one. If you want to trade, you can trade like something like this. This would be like the entry, this would be like the stop loss, or not the like the TP, and TP would be around these lows. Where was the lows? These one, these $24, 24 lows. So it's around 75.59, and your SL would be around above this. So this would be the SL, and you can trade this setup, but wait for like 4-hour closing. The 4-hour closing is in around like 1 hour and 48 minutes. Wait for 48 like 4-hour closing. Once we close like let's say 50% below the 50%, like let me add the 50% at this point, like GP. This is a GP. Once we close below, you can short it. Like let's say we close below this red box, you can short it, and this will be a TP. So ultimately we have formed the same setup as this one, but in this one we got a better entry, and the TP would be same. And what was like APT setup, what you have shared? Let me just open that one. In general I don't review other trader setup, but I am doing this time, and maybe this would be the last time. And yep, that's the setup. Let me open APT chart here. around maybe in a new chart, maybe on in this one. It's a swing trade, maybe. Yep, a swing trade. So entry was around, what's the entry? And it was around 93, and the SL is around 887. 887. The SL is good. I would say the SL is good. It's around these, below this week. What's the date? 31st March. Yep, 31st March, the Tuesday one. And let's say this is a setup, and the TP would be, TP is bigger TP, like 1.04. 1.04 is something like this. The setup is okay, not like bad setup. This is a good setup. You can see we have RC divergence here. On a textbook pattern, we have RC divergence here. I'm not sure of the BTC chart. Let me see APT BTC on 8-hour time frame. We have like, let me just change the chart. Okay, so we have like a range. So the setup is okay. Like, you can't call it a bad setup. This setup is okay. You can actually trade this one. And what's the risk? Like, if you enter this at trend price, 5% risk and 15%. So 3 are a setup, and this is a good setup. You can take it actually. Just go with like your fixed margin and fixed, like, what do you call it? Like the leverage, and the setup is okay. And we have some other charts. US oil. US oil is sitting at around 104. And what's the fib level? Let me just look at this one. Okay, so we are sitting at golden pocket. I will be looking at these values if we look for short. Like, this is first box for me, and let me add 1.236, and this will be the exact value from here to around here. This will be like a little big box, so I will leave up this one. From like 120 to 130, I will look for short if we cross this red box. But if we don't cross, then we have like 109 to 114. So this will be the values I will look for short here. And why looking for short? Just because we have started to print RSI divergence, and it's a multi-layered RSI divergence. If you don't know multi-layered works like this. Like, it goes it moves in a range toward the upper side, and on the other side we move like this. And yep, that would be a setup. In my opinion, we let's say we short here, place SL around these, like the body closes, these body closes, and TP around $90 around. Where's $90? Somewhere around here. So yep, this would be a good setup. You can actually trade this one, but still wait for the reaction. When price, like, let's say price moves like this and comes to this point, like $110, you wait for it and wait for bearishness, and then you short it. And the silver is moving okay, not like crazy bullish, not like we have sort of, it was head and shoulder, not a textbook one. But if you have a look at this, if you don't round the wick and you don't round like something like this, we have an inverse head and shoulder. Like, let's round like something like this, and this is a neckline, and then we can print actually toward the upper side, and the TP would be this wick around $82. We can go toward the upper side, but still I'm not gonna trade silver. Silver is like, these days silver is filled with retail traders are long in with max leverage, so I would just skip it. And let me have a look at some setups, if we have some setups. If you have any question, you can ask in the chat session. Don't be shy, just share the question. And we are going for like this entry too. Okay, Nice. And what's the dashboard doing? So yep, same. Like the spot is going down, the pubs are like holding up. So I'm expecting some sort of like fill this week or fill this week around 67.7k, and then we dump like a classic reversal, like something like this. Is that each shot? Where? This one is BTC one, and this one is not a shot from my side. Someone asked in the chat. It was someone that asked like I shot it from SFP, and I am waiting for it. So yeah, should I enter BTC shot or better soul? I would say the okay. So the entry to field. Let me just have something. Have my TP place. Let me wait. Just wait for it. Let's play some TPs. Okay, and I'm modifying my TPs just because we have increased the margin by 2x. And the first TP is, let me just open it up. Wait a minute. First TP is 65,800, and I will trim. Okay, and second TP is around $64,900, and yeah. Okay, so I place my TPs. We have red box here, and that's the stuff. Do you have any trading course? No, I don't have any trading course, bro. I just don't get time to make some videos on or like some that sort of stuff. I don't do that. Still wait, please. Which one? Which Ethereum short you are expecting? Like this one? This is not valid. This is not from my side. Hi Cryptex. I know it's not a stock channel, but I am tempted to long Meta. What do you think? Meta. Let me see. I heard Meta dropped badly in recent days. I'm not sure. I haven't checked the chart, but let me have a look at this one. So XBX is holding. Before checking the stock, I used to check SPX. XPX is holding up at a nice level, and we have US oil. Okay, so open it here. Meta. Okay, Meta is also similar pattern like SPX. You see a pump, and then we have a like faded daily, and then we have a pump, and then we have faded daily. Same like this, we have a pump, then faded, then pump, then faded, then pump, then faded. This is on weekly time frame, and this is also on weekly time frame. Okay, and on daily, let's have a look at this. This for like dividends. Okay, and we have earning around 29th April. Okay, previous earning was 8%. Okay, and that's okay. So this was a sell the news event. Let me mark it up. So this was sell the news event, and we saw sell the news. So I am expecting this earning would be buy the news. Like this is earning and revenue. This is let me just say 28th Jan. Okay, and this let me mark some zones. This is first zone for me, and yeah. So first zone is something like we are retesting it up. If we let's say if we like claim this one something like this, then we will go toward the upper side, we will break the downtrend. But if not, then we are going for the lower side, and this is the last bear pattern. That's why you should wait for it. Once it crosses like $560, then you can long it. On the like after the stock market closes, on the next day you can long it. And on the fifth pattern, where the Jordan pocket. Yep. Yeah, you should wait for it. I would say you should wait for like $560. This is $557 to $560 range. You should wait for it. Once that like closes, that the market closes above this one, then you can like long it on the next day or like on the same day. It depends on you. But right now it's a like 7% risk and 3% like let's say rented or something like this. And yep. I'm sorry. Let me just reverse it up. This is not how you place it, but I used to place it like this way. And we have a red box here around 0.4 would be something around there. And yep, this line with this. So I would say wait for it. Field on BTC, yep, anti-2 field on BTC, and we are getting rejected from the red box as I have mentioned. And in my opinion, we should get rejected. But yep, Solana is also active right now. Solana is okay. And yep, that's the setup for you guys. And let me just have a look at Forex. I was looking at USD CAD today. Maybe look at here. USD CAD, the Canadian dollar. And it's okay. On the 1 hour time frame, it's 4-minute RC divergence. Let me have a look at this. Yep, RC divergence here. Anyone actually trade Forex here? How many you guys like? If you trade, what's your like preferred broker or like exchange? I'm just analyzing. Don't short or don't long based on my given setup. It's New York opening time, so we are getting some wired candles, but this is a like sort of good setup. Yeah. I'm expecting something like this, a tight SL. I will wait for it. If anyone of you trade Forex, you can go with your analysis, and after that you can trade this one. But yep, this is a pretty solid setup, and we have data like strict as a like 0.04%, so that's okay. Even for me, it's okay. So if you short it, let's say, then you can take entry 2 here, the entry 1 here, and that's the stuff. Amazing, you are the best. Thanks, bro. And that's the setup for me. How's your like? You're from India. How's your Nifty doing today? 50-50. Oh, we are seeing a dump in Indian stock market. Hmm. Okay, so down. You can plot it downside in the like for 2026, but on the long time frame, it's sideways. Kind of sideways. We rose like around 34%, 39%, and then we have a move of 21%, and then we are dumping. Hi, Rafael. Welcome to the stream. How the order flow looking for spot? Where's the spot button? Let me open it up. Yep, neutral. You can see on the 15-minute time frame we are neutral. Like we aren't moving toward the upper side or the lower side. On Coinbase, you can see we are seeing a sort of okayish activity. Like we can see 906,000 dollars selling, and then we have 298 buying, 303 buying, 500 buying. Then we have like almost 1 to 1, almost 1 to 1. And yep, that's the stuff happening. Actually, it's a better stuff if you trade Nifty 50. You can like wait for this zone and like let's say deviate, and then you can like go long, something like this. But still, there's the Indian stock market not having one trend trade. No, we are drawing in one candle, so I will skip the setup. I was expecting we close this candle around somewhere around here these weeks, and then we form a next candle, and that will be a small candle and something like this, and then we do. But still, if you wanna draw for the risk, you can draw like 9 eastward, but I wanna draw say like don't draw. I would advise to everyone. And let me open my exchange. Okay, so by BTC we are reversing. This BTC is reversing. Okay. Hi, I am in E short now. Any advice, please? Which E short you are talking about? If you have like the your own E short, then you can share the entries and TP and SL. Or like previously someone asked Ethereum. Yep, that one was some different person. Yep. Let me log in my Forex account. Let me see. USD okay, but like okay, not like the best one. Do you believe in Tesla long term? Long term, I am not as bullish on the like altcoins, and equity is like equity have dumped from $20. If you look at the equity chart, I remember I was trading the equity around $20, and I shorted around $20, and my TP was $18, and yep, the SL was $21. Yep, that was the setup, and I was like, we took TP1 and we closed it. I remember the trade. Okay, yep, completed, and okay, nice to be here. Welcome, bro. My EP is 2065. Let me have a look at this. I have so many windows open. 2065 is around here. Okay, so I would say, firstly, if you have your own SL, then follow that SL. But if you don't have any SL, then I would say use this like use this week as SL, like this week as SL, and you place your SL around $2,100 somewhere around here, and TP would be something like this. Like this is a swing shot. If you're in a swing shot, then you can go with this one. If you're not, then follow your own setup, I would say. And yeah. New 500, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. No worries, bro. No worries. And okay, okay, candle here. We'll wait for it. And what's USD doing? Let me have a look. It is actually like looking tempting to short. I'm actually tempted to short it also here. Yep. Do we have something here? Account balance, okay. Position margin, okay. This, okay. So 10 a share. Japan yen share, okay. So SL is around 1.3950. Okay, so let me see the dashboard again. What's the dashboard doing? Short are still okay. Lot not buy, not short it. They are still neutral, and I doubt they will go to the lower side. Like they will start selling somewhere. And if you have a look at like BTC, let me have a look at BTC here. You have a look at BTC here, and on the 15-minute time frame, let me run fib here. If we are sitting around golden pockets or like 0.705, then we are okay. And yep, we should get from here somewhere around here. We call it deviation, and it's a good one. Yep. Someone active in the chat session. Go to the group. We have Goose testing something. Tag a trader and see if the ad function works. Like the general chat. If we have someone here. I can't just because I am a trader. If I should do that, it will ruin the stuff. And on the 5-minute time frame, we printed an inverse hammer, right? Dodgy candle. Okay. And yep. Let me see you guys mentioned APT here, like on the longer time frame. APT USDT. If you have a look at this APT, I was saying like we traded at $20 somewhere around here. Yep. In this time you can see it was around $20. These tops are around 20, 20, 12, 20, something like this. And yep, this is how it going. There's the like stuff. And this is a downtrend. Once on the high time frame, once the downtrend breaks, like this is a downtrend, they start breaking up and we see a recovery, then we can. What's my point of view on altcoin is that in the next cycle, everyone start trading BTC and Ethereum, and once they trade like BTC and Ethereum, altcoin outperforms actually. Hi, bro. Are we thinking to enter USD or you are just watching? I am trading on my side. Like personally, I'm trading it. This red zone is my entry. This red zone, I am giving it a try. I'm not like actual forex trader, but still I am giving it a try. And this is like a good order, so yep, I am running for it. If you want to go, you can go. My current position is minus 1.36%, and it's okay. That's the stuff. And what's the TP? Let me see TP and SL. The TP will give me like minus, not minus 37% profit, and the SL will give minus 8% loss. So it's okay for me, and I'm done with this setup. No DCA, no second entry. Let's look at the ETH. What's ETH doing? I'm already in BTC short, but if you want to try Ethereum short, I have Ethereum short for you. Oh, let's try it. Let's try it. Let me just put it up here. Let's try Ethereum short here. The SL will be like the same SL. Let's move it around a little bit up and get 2105 or 2105.5. This would be like okay. This is the entry. This is the SL, and TP would be around what would be TP if we go over to our, yep, this one. This is a good setup. I'm run for this one. Bits is going well. Yeah, bits is going well. We are in profit actually. No, not profit. Average price is around $67,048. So yep, we have average price set. This is a setup. Anyone wants to join, you can actually go in this one. I'm going with like 0.5% margin. Or let me give in the group. Just wait for it. I am leaving in the group. Taking this is short here as a scalp. It's a moderate risk trade, so I will place moderate. We are short, leverage up to you. Entry one would be like 2072, DC 2085. If you want to place TPs, then place TP1 at $2060 around this. Yeah, 2060. Second TP at 2040. Where's let me just have a look at FIB. Let's have a look at FIB. Yep, $2039. Yep. And third one at 22004. SL would be 2105. And yep, there's a setup here. I'm sending it in a group also. So I send it. Let me enter on my side also. So right now I am in this one, Ethereum, this one, and this one, SPX. And after that we are in, what's the other one? The USD CAD. And that's it. We are in 4 trades. I will enter it on Bybit. Ethereum market, 1% of the portfolio and short. Yep. Limit at 2085 and then short. Okay, so my liquidation is at $2600. $2060 TP1. Okay, so TP1 is 28% from current price with 50x leverage. Alright. We are in profit, moving in profit. My entry is around this. So this is my entry, and let me move it on 5 minute time frame. Yep, this is the chart. First trade, second trade, third trade, and then we have the fourth trade around this. This will go to loss. This is the first one, and yep, that's the stuff. Nice views today also. We got like 71 views. And today this much amount has been added to your stock market. This much amount. You can count it. In my opinion, this is 1 trillion. I have not like counted it, but that's what my heart's saying. Is your short sale open? Yep. My short sale is open. This is a short. We are shorted from $83.47 and TP1 done, and we are just waiting for it. Sir, why did you say BTC trade is risky? Like, what is the reason? I am trying to learn. Firstly, there are two three setups. Why this is risky? This is risky just because there is only one confluence, and this is the trend line. I shorted based on confluences. This is the one confluence. Second confluence is this red box. This is the wick, and that's what the like the confluence is. The only one to two confluences. That's the risky one. And secondly, there is a monthly closing today. So if you look at the monthly chart, where is the monthly chart? Let me open it up for you. Like the monthly chart, let me open it up in the 1 month, and let's read everything here. And if you have a look at this monthly, one candle, two candle, three candle, four, five, and we are going to print a seventh. Yes, seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, sixth. We are going to print a sixth red candle on the monthly time frame, and we have never ever done that. You can see it was 1 2 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have done in 2018. After that we have never done it. 1 2 1 2 and 1 2 3, and after that we have never done it. So it's the first time we are going to print. Oh, not the first, second time we are going to print six straight red candles. And that's why it's sort of risky. And if you also look at this, like if we draw like a little bit above, we'll print a inverse hammer, like something like this. And these candles are usually formed at the bottoms, like this candle. Like we have a big wick, and then we have a small hammerish stuff like inverse hammer at the top, at the bottom. So that's why I called it risky. Let me see at Ethereum. Where is Ethereum? First entry is around. Let me mark the entries here. Not the entries, the TPs. TP1 at 2060. Your channel will blow up shortly, such your content. Thanks, man. Yep, thanks to you. Firstly, and secondly, I don't promote my content. Like I don't do live stream all the time. That's why I just share the link in a group. If I share the live stream link in like in on the X, and on like I have WhatsApp channel also. If I share the live stream link in the WhatsApp channel, I know people will join. Like we will have like around 500 people here listening to me, but I want only the focused one. Like right now we have around 74 viewers, and those are listening and it's okay. It's so perfect. I'm not here to like earn money from YouTube, but and we have like TP1 here. So I would trim TP1 here, SL2 entry. Let me share it. TP1 here, SL2 entry. I will continue my talk. Let me just share it and move my SL2 entry first. And that's how we trade live on the live trade. Even though it's like 28%, 27 or 28% profit only, but still it matters. Like let's say if you have invested $100, you got $28 back. And for some countries, these like $100 are like their monthly income. Let me place my SL $2071.88. That's my SL. And even if we get stopped out, it's okay. We like print it, we take TP1. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yep. So what I was saying, like I am not here to like print money from YouTube, as I am printing money from trading. I just want focused people here. I don't want the noise and all the stuff. Could you please check gold? Good on the lower time frame. We are printing RSI divergence here. And yep, if this 1 hourly candle closes below like what's the value, $4,600, then you can actually short it up with, let me, where my second row chart. Do we have any row chart here? Yep, this one. Let me check it up on the like lower time frame. So you can see this is the like this one. If it closes like start closing candles below this one, you can actually go short something like this as well above this candle and TP at this week, something like this. You can actually trade this one. I will not take it just because I am already in many trades and we are in this and this will got stopped out. Okay, so 0.04% will be like lost, but still okay. If you are in this Solana trade, GG's to you. Yep. And our BTC trade is now moving in profit. BTC short this one. So this one is now moving in profits. And if you are really looking for long of like this gold, then there is a setup I have valid. This is a setup entry at 4444, entry one and entry two at like 4400, like for $400, and the stop loss would be 40. Well, what's stop loss, like triple three, something like this, and the TP will be around $4,800. So this is a swing trade. I will like trade it even after, let's say, even if we get the entry on 15th April, something like that. I will wait for it. On metals and oil and like US stock market, I just wait for it. Like we have placed limit around 2 days before. Earlier we have placed limit on this one and still haven't triggered yet, so I'm just waiting for it. I'm not rushing. Same on road, same on US metals, like the US oil and stuff. And you can see this red box was the perfect zone for shorting, and we are following the analysis. This one same, and yep. So should I share like this setup? Let me just have a look at this one. If I capture it up and place some ink over here, so this is it. This is it. So you can see these are my short trade active. First one is Ethereum, 38% down. Second one is with Solana, 76% down. GG's. Third one is BTC, 9.93% right now, and we are printing in 3 trades. That's how you trade it. If you follow risk management, you should like trade around 10 to 15% of your like monthly portfolio with. We got some news stuff. I got a ping on my mobile. Let me just have a look at this. I will not share who shared it on X, but they emailed it to launch. Oh no. How do I like share it? The email to all. I will take a screenshot. Let me just take a screenshot here. Someone posted an email on X, and this is the region. The reason, not the region. This is the reason people like we short. You can have a look at this. Like this, if you look at this like this analysis, you will say like we are breaking out. I will go long. You will place your SL below this week, and this week is like $200 to like $2,000. That's where our TP3 lies, and you will get your stopped out. And you are taking targeting the TP around these values, and that's why we short it. and we tapped $2,039. We haven't tapped like TP2. Okay, so TP2 run maybe. Let me see what was TP2 for our side. TP2 was $2,039, and I have actually not placed alert, so I haven't got the alert. But yep, we are around TP2, so trim TP2 around CMP, like the current market price. SL is still an entry. Let me see what's the PNL. The PNL is 68%. GG's. Let me share it with you guys also. This is the trade we talk. How many of you took Ethereum? How low you think BTC will draw for this trade? This one? It should draw towards like this week at least. Like this week. I'm not sure what the TP here. Let me have a look at TP. Was the TP like $64,900? So yeah, TP2 at least TP2. TP2 is at this week. Because my TP is at 65,800. 65,800. Okay, 65,800 is also good, but I am looking it and I am expecting it to go towards. And this is a big candle, you know. This is. Let me share the dashboard. Where's the dashboard? That's what I am expecting. You can see a sharp selling the spot. Spot started selling. Pops are like losing, and that's how you trade it. So you don't need anything. You just need a dashboard, and you can master everything in the crypto. That's the stuff. Make sure you have placed TP on your BTC position. I haven't. Let me just place my TP on BTC position. Yep, I have. Already. I have. And cancel your second limit on Ethereum. I took it. Well, GG's. Well, congrats to you guys. Those who took Ethereum, just because we printed like 70% in just 2 to 3 minutes. Like, have a look at this. Like 10 to 20 minutes, we printed 70%. This one, this stuff. If you are in my group, like the you like from where you have like joined the live stream, let me know. I will share the like this dashboard with you guys. In the BTC only didn't do Ethereum. BTC also doing okay. Like have a look at this BTC. BTC is also down 0.89%. Okay. So you're in a group, so you can like go to just mention me and say the dashboard. Give me the dashboard. I will give you the access. Just because I can't give the link on YouTube. I am not eligible yet. I will share it in the group. Perfect. I will share in a group. Or what's your username? Give me the username. I will share it. Uh, Dashboard. Here's the dashboard. I am pinging in the premium chat. So I have given in the chat session. You can like open the link and follow the steps. Let me see. Yep, I have simple guide. I have shared a simple guide, and that's the guide. Let me see where's the like dashboard. Yep, this one. So yep. Okay, so on Ethereum we are okay. Solana is okayish, and SPX is also dumping. So okay, we have retested this red box, the small red box. Perfect. Bro, leverage 50x, you are crazy. I have already shown how I take 50x. If you have missed yesterday's stream, you should go and watch that one. I drove with 1% margin. So if you drove with 1% margin, your like leverage and your this one dot stop out. So your like liquidation is way far. Like on my I will share it. Let me just give me 1 minute. So this is my like liquidation on Ethereum. My liquidation is $3,400, like $3,500. On Solana, it is $98, and on BTC is $74,000. So it's okay. Like I am way close to far than the liquidation is way far from the SL. Like SL are like 1 to 2%, but still the liquidations are like way far. And this was the Solana setup. If you are in this Solana setup, then trim TP1 here, TP1 somewhere around here, like at CMP. TP2 would be around this week, and TP3 around this. If you have took this one, if you have not, so on live stream I shared how many setups. Let me count it. We started from this chart maybe. Nope, not this chart. This chart. So we started from here. BTC first setup. Solana we were already in. Then we were in Ethereum. 3 setups. Then we shared nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. 3 setups, and then we move to this one, 4th setup, and then we have this USD CAD for forex ones, but we got stopped out. 5 setups. So we have like 5 setups, and this is the 6th setup here. So in like how many minutes? In 59 minutes, we have got 6 setups, and believe me, no one will give you this much setups in around 59 minutes. So this means 10 minutes per setup. Where the Ethereum? Let me see Ethereum. Ethereum is okay. Wait for it. Top it open. Okay. I'm just waiting like couple of minutes, and after that I will end the stream. Waiting for any more setup. If Ethereum like goes toward this, then we'll try to short it maybe again. If anyone took this setup, then give me the like profit charts. Just share with me, and yep, I will post it on X also. Let me just copy these images like 1, 2, then 3. 3 are like okay. Shorting everything like BTC, Sol, Ethereum. I'm leaving a link to my post. Don't just like it, or you can actually share your profit charts in this comment section. But it's up to you. I will not force it. So after sell off, we are sitting at same around almost same spot level as we are earlier. Yep, spot not selling, but they have like slowed down. Now perps are logging back, so it means like they are going back in. Let me open the marker here. You can see the pups are logging back in. So this means they are going trying to like long or like whatever you call it, like along the bottom, and spot are still sitting at this. Let me, we can't like differentiate this. No, we can't like move them side. But still, have a look at this. Like this is a spot. This spot is trying to reverse back up, and not the spot like the future one. And BTC spot is going down while BTC is just holding. And in my opinion, we will fill this candle and then we will start something like this. But still, that's the like dashboard. And if you look at Coinbase, still selling. Like the Binance is goes up in the activity and then straight again down. So they are like confused. Same with Bybit. These are retailers. These are retailers and these are retailers. This is smart money. So this is like they know what they are doing. They don't have like big candles and then stop, then big candles, then stop. They don't do like this. So still hold. Yep, we'll still hold, bro. You can see this position. We'll hold this one. TP1 is at 500, so somewhere around here. So yep, we will hold it. And yep, we will hold it. The only reason we are going up is because we haven't like broken the lows. If you have a look at this one, we are still holding the lows, these lows. Once we start breaking this up, we will go lower, in my opinion. So yeah, that was the stream from my side. Thanks for joining. We have our stream for almost 1 hour and 8 minutes with 80 viewers. And yep, welcome. Thanks for joining. Welcome to the stream. And I am going to like close the stream here. And we are holding all the setups: Ethereum, Solana, BitC. Then we have on the other side we have this Solana. If you are it, then you can hold. This one got stopped out, and we have this gold one. In my opinion, gold one you can DC here, or like you can manage the risk. And yeah, that's the stuff. So yeah, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.